5 Advantages of steel structure. High material strength and its own lightweight. Relatively low ratio of density to yield strength compared to concrete and wood. Thus, under the same force conditions, the cross-section of steel structure is small. Steel toughness, plasticity, material uniformity, high structural reliability. Suitable for bearing impact and dynamic load. Good seismic performance. Steel structure manufacturing and installation mechanization is high. Members are easy to manufacture in the factory and assembled on-site. High accuracy of finished steel structure components manufactured mechanically in factory. High production efficiency, fast site assembly and short construction period. Good sealing performance of steel structure. Because the welded structure can be completely sealed, it can be made into a high-pressure container with good gas and water tightness balance. Steel structure building demolition will not produce almost any construction waste. Steel can be recycled and reused.